So guys, in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to create a foreign TikTok account. So depending on the country you want to create. So in this video, I'll be teaching you how to create it. Very, very simple and easy to do. This is the simplest method to do it. So without talking much, let's get started. So for this video, I'll be mirroring my phone on my PC. All right. So you can actually do it with your phone and just any device you can actually use to access um any device you can use to access TikTok, you can actually do the same thing with it. All right. So one of the first things you need is this. It doesn't have to be this one. If you don't have money to, purchase this one or subscribe for this one, you can go for those ones that are free. So when you open it, let's say for instance you open it, you will put it in the exact place you want it you want your TikTok to be. So let's say I want to put it in let's use this United Kingdom and let's wait for it to connect. Okay, it has connected. Now let's go back. Let's go back home. So when you come back, make sure you don't have TikTok before. This one I just downloaded it. Make sure you don't have TikTok before on that mobile device before doing this. If you have it before, delete it and install this one, and you can use any free. We have Proton is free and we have other VPNs that are free. You understand? So you can actually go for the free ones. So after then, if you have TikTok before, maybe you have account on TikTok before or something, delete it and download fresh one. Now, it's not like if you have old TikTok that this thing is not still going to work if you don't delete it. It's not like it's not going to work. It will still work, but you will find out that the people you are meeting are still people that are within your local area. You understand? So now, when you want to create the TikTok, after downloading the new one, you now open this TikTok. But mind you, you might have put a certain location here, so you now open it. Let's wait for the TikTok to load. Click on login. Click on login. Now they say login, that is for old account, but what we want to create here now is a new account. You will come down here and tap on sign in. So signing up for this thing, you now see they say sign up for TikTok and they're asking you for your phone number. Don't do the registration with phone number, alright? Don't do it. Ignore this phone number. Later, you're going to add phone number. But for this one, don't add phone number. Then come down here. This place, you are seeing the name of the place your account will be located if you create it now. Click on this, click on it. Like click on that country name, click on it. Sometimes you will see different places. You understand? But if the thing is where you don't want it to be, you just click on it. Once you click on it, it will give you the option to select any particular place you want to be. Come to this search bar, or rather if you want to just scroll down, you can scroll down and type, let's say you want to use United. Okay, see it here. Let's make use of United Kingdom and you click on it. Now let's wait. So now, if you look down here now, you will discover something. Earlier, this place was showing that your account is in Singapore, alright? But at the moment now, after changing it, the account you are now going to create is now going to be located United Kingdom, alright? Now you now come to this place, you either sign up with Google if you want, or you can sign up with email manually, alright? So, but I'll be signing up with Google here. Click on continue with Google. That is all. You don't even need any other thing. I think my internet connection is a bit slow. That's why it's taking a whole lot of time to load. But let's just wait a bit. But if you are signing up with Google, that means you don't even necessarily need to type anything manually. Like you will not, there will be no it will not be necessary to type anything at all. So this is the easiest way to create this foreign TikTok account. If you want to create France, depending on maybe the country that is legally monetized, you understand, and you would like to create the TikTok from there, it's you can actually this is the easiest method to do it. All right. So let's wait. I will use this random email. So after loading, they want you to manually put your birthday. So I'll put any birthday here. I'm not necessarily going to use my information. So but make sure anything you are making use of is actually your information, alright? Okay. So after that, you click on continue. So because you signed up with Google, they are not going to manually tell you to maybe enter your password or anything. There will be no need asking you for those things. They will just you know open the TikTok account for you directly. So but just take note of this place. Okay? Make sure you change it. Sometimes even when you open it, you see a different place. Like make sure you change it before creating it as my nickname and then click on continue. The account has been created. Alright. So now that the account has been created, let's now check if this account can be monetized. Alright. Let's check if it can be monetized. Then let's go to settings. Click the three button by the right hand side on top. Think is the same with everyone. You click on balance. So as you can see, look at the currency we are having here. GPB, this is pounds. That means what you created is 100%. So this account is monetizable. Creator reward program is going to work perfectly well for this account. So this is very easy. Instead of you paying somebody to do it for you, you can just sit in the comfort of your home and open it yourself. So for further verification, let's check the list of the content monetization. You come down to this monetization and click on it. So look at it. We have TikTok shop here, we have creator rewards program here, creator marketplace, work with artists, life incentive program. So this is fully monetized TikTok. So It's very easy to do. You can just do it yourself without having to pay anybody. So peace and love.